The ultimate modern Rolex grail has officially left the factory floor, and if you aren't a billionaire client, you will likely never see one in person. Welcome back to Luxe Pulse. If you have been keeping a close eye on the watch world over the last 7 days, you know a major shockwave is rippling through the ultra-luxury market. While the broader watch industry handles mid-year pricing adjustments, including Tudor's quiet 2% price hike across its steel sports lines this month, Rolex is executing a completely different level of supremacy. We are finally witnessing the very first real-world allocations of the most unexpected, jaw-dropping timepiece unveiled at Watches and Wonders 2026. The Rolex Cosmograph Daytona reference 126502. This is not a standard catalogue model that you can simply walk into an authorized dealer and request. Positioned by the Crown as an exceptional watch, this ultra-exclusive special order masterpiece is reserved strictly for Tier 1 VIPs. The secondary market is already scrambling to track down early examples, with current valuations instantly skyrocketing to nearly 3 times its retail price. To fully understand why collectors are completely losing their minds over this drop, we have to look closely at its physical architecture. Rolex used Rolesium, a highly distinct material configuration that seamlessly blends the bulletproof everyday wearability of an Oystersteel middle case and 3-link bracelet with the extreme luxury of a 950 platinum bezel ring and caseback. But the first thing that grabs your attention in hand is the radical bezel design. Moving completely away from the standard pitch-black Cerachrom, Rolex has introduced an anthracite grey ceramic bezel composed of zirconia enriched with tungsten carbide. It gives off a beautiful metallic sheen that dynamically shifts with the light. In a direct nod to vintage, historic steel bezel Daytonas, all the numerals on the tachymeter scale are oriented completely upright rather than inverted at the 6 o'clock position. It is an incredibly architectural execution that instantly sets this watch apart from any standard production chronograph. The absolute headline of this watch, however, is the dial. For the first time on a steel-adjacent Daytona case footprint, Rolex has introduced a breathtaking white Grand Feu enamel dial. This isn't a basic lacquered dial. To achieve this level of visual purity, Rolex coats 4 separate ceramic plates with liquid enamel, fusing it onto a solid brass base through successive vitrification firings in a kiln at temperatures exceeding 800 degrees C. The result is a deep, milky, surprisingly glossy white surface with unmatched optical depth. This watch also has a historical connection. Because the chronograph subdials are finished in matching white enamel without any contrasting black rings, this watch achieves an ultra-clean, monochromatic layout, often referred to by collectors as an albino aesthetic. It closely resembles the incredibly rare and legendary white porcelain dial found on the reference 16520 Zenith Daytonas from 1988. It represents absolute, uncompromising restraint in design. Flip the 40mm case over and the 126502 delivers another massive surprise, an open sapphire crystal exhibition caseback. This reveals the beautiful architecture of the in-house caliber 4131 automatic chronograph movement, complete with a solid gold oscillating weight, a 72-hour power reserve, and a blue parachrome hairspring. Now, let's talk about the brutal reality of the current market and how these numbers completely detach from retail sanity. To give you some context, a standard stainless steel Daytona reference 126500LN carries an official retail price of £13,200. though it regularly commands between 20 and 24,000 on the grey market. The new Rolesium Enamel Daytona, on the other hand, leaves the boutique with an official retail MSRP of £45,500. But because production numbers are so tightly restricted and only the most elite global buyers are taking delivery this week, early grey market allocations are already commanding anywhere between £115,000 and £135,000. It is a dizzying six-figure premium that instantly elevates this model from a high-end sports watch into a genuine Safe Queen investment asset. Thanks to your incredible support, we are closing in fast on our major 1,000 subscriber milestone here at Luxe Pulse. If you want to keep winning against the boutique gatekeeping with real-time market insights, hit that subscribe button right now. Now, let's open up the debate. Is this white enamel Rolesium Daytona the single greatest modern chronograph Rolex has ever created? Or are these six-figure secondary market prices getting completely out of hand? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, hit the like button, and we will see you in the next one.